So the next problem I'm going to look at is this problem of labor cost per unit. So go ahead and scroll down here and look at that solution. Okay, so in this labor cost, and you know, before when I was doing labor cost, what I had did is I just added up these percentages and then took that percentage and multiplied it by the hourly rate. Now the reason I'm not doing that in this particular case is because we're talking about a particular operator. So we want to then consider the cutoff values. We're not just going to add up the percentages. So it says that he makes $20 an hour, and in order to make the part, it takes 40 minutes. So we're going to look at all of the associated taxes and workers' comp, and we're going to add those all up. So in this case, Social Security, 6.2% was that value. Medicare, federal unemployment tax, state unemployment tax, employment training tax. Now these ones all have a $7,000 cap on them. So that means that after the employee makes $7,000, they stop charging it. So I need to include those caps. These ones, the caps, well, Medicare has no cap, but Social Security has a much higher cap, like $98,000 or something. So I'm going to add up all these things, so including his wages. And the way I got his wages is he works $20 an hour for 40 hours a week times 50 weeks a year, which is what it says, and that's $4,000. And then I add to that all of these taxes, and that gives me $46,947. Now he works 200 hours a year in order to, and that's the cost of the company. So what I'm doing is I take that value and I divide it by 200 to get the 2347 is how much he costs the company every hour. And then I go over here and I take the 40 minutes, which is how long it takes to make the part, 40 minutes per part, convert it to hours and multiply it by his hourly rate. So the value then is $15.65.